You gave me this tiny pot.
We're talking about that's the biggest pot known to mankind.
No problem. If half the peas on the counter, I blame you. My friends, Dave and I are back in the kitchen because this is How to Foodie Nation. And today, we're doing a good old pigeon peas. So let's get cooking.
All right, kids. Pigeon peas.
Talk to me.
All right. So, traditionally a Christmas dish for you?
Christmas, Sunday lunch, or random Tuesday in the week.
Yeah,
you can
yeah,
eat pigeon peas anytime. There's
Exactly.
no occasion.
All right. So, what we have here, we have the usual suspects.
Right.
Right. But this is everything you need to do to put down a pigeon peas.
Okay.
Right.
Nothing else needed.
Nothing else at all needed.
Well,
right.
let's go.
So, what we have, onion, pimento, a little bit of ginger,
Right.
garlic,
Right.
shadow beni, chive, broadleaf thyme, some pumpkin for thickness, richness, the pigeon peas,
Of course.
yeah, and we have some fresh bay leaf, yeah.
Okay.
I think this came from Uncle Clyde.
Someone else came from Uncle Clyde
Something
too.
else, we have some of Uncle Clyde's secret magic elixir called roucou.
Shout out to our good friend Uncle Clyde. We miss you. This is for you.
Big up Uncle Clyde, I love Uncle Clyde bad. Right, so we have his own roucou that he makes for himself. Just some water and some coconut milk.
Okay. And
Right.
how do we start?
Okay, so your pot has been heating up.
Yes.
And inside there is coconut oil. Okay, so we're gonna get the aromatics inside first, right? So
Okay.
first
Start with
off,
onions?
Yep, start with the onions.
All right. Sure.
Nice. Then we're gonna go in with the pimentos.
Half the things coming all the way out. I throw in and throw in all the way down.
All right, let me help you out there with
Thanks, sir.
this amount of ginger. Here you go.
Thank you, good sir.
Nice. Ginger is the untraditional ingredient, but I like it. Yeah.
So you usually don't put it in pigeon peas.
No.
But this is Dave's pigeon peas. I'm trusting in you, my good friend.
Yes, trust in
You
me.
make it good.
All right. We're gonna sweat the onions and the pimentos for just a little bit and the
Right.
ginger.
Right.
We just wanna start to let that get, fragrance in the pot. Then we're gonna go in with the green stuff. All right, so just about maybe 10 more seconds there.
All right. Keep them moving and not
Yeah.
burning.
Yeah, keep it moving. All right, we're starting to get the aroma now.
Right.
Right? So we're going in with the shadow beni.
Of course. And we're going in with all?
Yeah,
All right. All in, all in. Nice, man.
rock and roll. So we have chive.
Throw it in for your friend.
No problem.
Thank you.
All right, the broadleaf thyme.
This is very green thus far. Very green.
All right, let her go for about 10,
Okay.
15 more seconds thereabouts.
Now
Right.
I know you like to put in your garlic.
At the end, yeah, last.
Last.
Right,
No burnt garlic overhead.
no green garlic. Too bitter, all right? Right, so I want you to cook this for about 30 seconds thereabouts.
Okay.
Right? You just keep your eye on it. The minute you start to see any sort of brown bits, whatever, then you know, all right, maybe it's a little bit too much. Right?
And we just keep it moving.
Right? So from there now, we are going to go in with some thinly sliced pumpkin. Some people, they do it like this, thinly
Yeah.
sliced, and some people dice it. Either way, you want your pumpkin cut so that it cooks fairly quickly.
Okay.
All right? So
Looks like a lot of pumpkin.
this is enough pumpkin.
For this pot.
Yeah, this is going to be, you will manage.
Half of my ingredients on the counter already.
You will
what
manage.
you trying to do to me?
I have faith in you.
You really do. I appreciate you, my friend. I appreciate that you have faith in me.
Right? So what we're going to do now, Kez, is
Yeah.
this has to go for about 5 minutes. Yeah.
Okay.
That pumpkin has to get soft, right? So you just keep on stirring,
Sure.
right? Just watch the heat a little bit and incorporate all the aromatics nicely with the pumpkin.
And this is
Right.
at a medium heat, right?
That's at a medium heat.
Okay.
So when that gets soft, then we're gonna come in with the pigeon peas, the roucou,
Yeah.
and the bay leaf, right?
And we're leaving this uncovered?
And we are leaving this uncovered,
Okay.
yeah. All right? So see you around in 5 minutes.
Sure.
All right. All right, kids. So the pumpkin mashing up.
It's mashing up. It's soft now.
That's what we're looking at. You know, that's what I wanted, for it to be able to, once you can mash it with the edge of the spoon,
Easily.
you're good to
Easily.
go, right? So next is the star of the show.
The peas.
The peas, right?
Peas, please.
Here's your peas, ma'am.
Thank you very much.
Right? You're gonna turn it around, incorporate it.
You gave me this tiny pot.
We're talking about that's the biggest pot known to mankind.
No problem. If half the peas on the counter, I blame you, eh?
Yeah, but yeah, there's no problem at all. Right?
All
Now,
right.
now you turn up. I'm gonna put a little bit of roucou.
Yes, please.
There's some of the Uncle Clyde magic sauce. Just a little bit more. All right. A little bit of salt, not much. We can always adjust the salt on the final taste.
Sure.
A little bit of black pepper. Not much again.
Right.
Right. Now,
Uh-huh.
the magic leaves, again from Uncle Clyde.
Okay.
So this is the bay leaf. So we have to do like what he told us, right? So we tear it.
Give it some tears. Wake it up a little bit.
Yeah, that's going to release the essence.
Right.
The aroma, everything.
And we putting this in here.
One.
And we eating it too.
I would. I don't know if you wouldn't, but I would.
I may or may not pick it out on my plate.
All right.
May or may not.
Nicely ripped and fresh too.
And bay leaf has that unique smell.
Like I'm selling it from here.
Yeah,
You know what I mean? It's intense.
Get those boys in there until they're hidden.
Right? Now, coconut milk.
Come on.
Going
What
in.
is pigeon peas without the coconut milk?
Now we need that richness. We need that finishing touch.
It
right?
really elevates the flavor. Honestly,
So-
can't go wrong.
This is going to boil with that bay leaf that just went in,
Right.
with all the aromatics that went in before, and just something magical is going to happen, right?
I'm looking forward to this magic.
So what's going to happen now? We're going to get that coconut milk up to temperature. It's going to start to bubble,
Yep.
right? That's in about maybe 3, maybe 4 minutes around there. When the coconut milk bubbles
Yeah.
and comes down a little bit, then we're
Right.
going to just add just a little bit of water,
Okay.
and have those peas cooking slowly in that water.
All right, so do we cook covered, uncovered? What's happening?
If you you can cover it, but I want you to drop the heat all the way down so it doesn't boil over.
Right.
But yeah, covered is best because I want everything to just kind of melt together nicely.
Okay, and how
Right.
long are we working with?
Maybe about 20 minutes if that.
All right,
All
20,
right.
20 minutes is good. We can do
Thereabouts.
20 minutes.
Yeah,
We could do that.
Right? Even less maybe, right?
All right, no problem. So
Cool.
we'll wait on this one.
Oh yeah.
So,
Guys, look at the colors.
so
Look at
this,
the colors, right?
this is magical. That roucou brought this color and everything all the way up. This is a beautiful dish.
Is the roucou, the pumpkin, right? You know, we made it a little pretty, you know, with a little bit of garnish on top, the bay leaf.
Your bay leaf.
Yeah. So, Kez, look at that color. I mean, how could you not want to eat this? Right?
I want to eat this.
Yeah.
We,
So let's
we
go in.
must give it a try. Now it is still steaming, guys.
It's
as you
hot.
could see. I don't want to burn my mouth.
Oh, Lord. How good is that?
Bay leaf has a distinct smell and a distinct flavor, and that is what I'm getting. That nice earthy,
Yeah.
with that coconut milk in the back. Yum, yum, yum. So good.
I think the magic ingredient was the bay leaf for sure, but it's how we had it. Fresh bay leaf.
Yeah.
That's just, the perfume is just running all
It just
throughout the
released
dish.
all the way in.
Yeah, this is a winner.
Now this one is for Christmas. That Christmas lunch, Christmas dinner. That's what we're putting on the table. This recipe is for you guys. Christmas is coming up. We need to have this on the table with the ham, lamb, and the jam.
Yep. I could literally eat this entire bowl just the way it is. I mean, normally with some rice or something like that, but
Please do not sit and eat this entire bowl. We need to go make all the other things to the Christmas table. What is wrong with you?
But you also try this. Try this
Definitely.
piece. Right?
Please try this recipe. And of course, guys, because this is the season of giving, you have to gift your friends, your family, your tante, your uncle, your neighbor, and your nanan. Foodie Nation teas. Be sure to shop foodienationtt.com to get those Christmas gifts one time. So we're giving you peas and gorgeous gifts. Anything
For
else,
sure.
my friend, before we work on more Christmas recipes?
I think you need to get your share quick because I am about to eat this entire thing.
Oh, okay, we're going to organize this. So until next time, guys, bye-bye.